My name is Jana Jenquin. I am a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Florida as part of the Center for Neurogenetics. And I actually work jointly in the labs of Doctors Andrew Berglund and Eric Wang. And I am a recipient of the 2020 MDF Research Fellowship. So my research focuses on the optimization of a class of small molecules called diamidines and repurposing them for use of a potential therapeutic for myotonic dystrophy, type 1 and type 2. And we currently have several lead compounds that are rescuing the disease phenotypes of both DM1 and DM2, which is sort of exciting in the concept of having potentially one therapeutic for both diseases. And we're using approaches such as molecular modeling, so working with computational biologists to sort of guide this optimization in making chemical modifications to these compounds, and these modifications can then affect how they're interacting and how well they're interacting with repeat RNA or DNA, can affect solubility. And so the hope here is that we can find chemical modifications that sort of increase activity of these compounds in rescuing those disease phenotypes, but then also decreasing associated toxicity with them. And then further, some of these chemical modifications actually allow for these compounds to cross the blood-brain barrier, which then can address the central nervous system symptoms associated with DM. And then also we can make prodrugs of a lot of these compounds that can facilitate the oral administration, or being able to take these compounds as a pill instead of an injection. And sort of the downstream of this is really getting compounds that we can get into animal models to test long-term toxicity and safety studies with these as a stepping stone to getting these compounds into the clinic.